The D-light on your dashboard is a critical indicator of your transmission's status. Understanding what it means and how to diagnose problems can save you time and money. The D-light indicates your transmission is in drive mode. Normally, it should illuminate steadily when you shift into drive and turn off when you select other gears like park, reverse, or neutral. There are two main types of D-light problems. First, when it stays on continuously, this usually means the transmission control module thinks the vehicle is stuck in drive mode, often due to faulty shift position sensors or wiring issues. Second, when the D-light blinks or flashes, this typically indicates an active fault code in the transmission system, often pointing to sensor malfunctions or electrical problems. The first diagnostic step is to document when the D-light issue occurs. Note whether it happens during startup, while driving, or during gear shifts. Look for any patterns or specific triggers. Next, check your transmission fluid level and condition. Look for contamination, burning smell, or low fluid levels, as these basic issues can cause D-light problems. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve transmission fault codes and analyze live data. This will help pinpoint the exact problem and provide freeze-frame data showing conditions when the fault occurred. Finally, perform a physical inspection of the wiring harness, shift position sensor, and ground connections. Look for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could cause the D-light issue. These are the key components you should inspect during your diagnosis. Understanding their locations and functions will help you identify the root cause of D-light problems more effectively. Remember, proper diagnosis is the key to successfully fixing D-light issues. Follow this systematic approach. Document symptoms, check basics, scan for codes, and inspect components physically. Once you've diagnosed the D-light issue, several specific repair steps can resolve the problem. We'll cover the most common repairs and their success rates. First, if your transmission fluid is contaminated or old, replace both the fluid and filter. This addresses many D-light issues caused by poor fluid quality. Second, replace any faulty sensors identified during diagnosis. Compare this clean sensor to the worn one. Sensor degradation is a common cause of D-light problems. Third, repair any damaged or corroded wiring connections. This damaged connector shows typical wear that can cause intermittent D-light issues. Finally, ensure your vehicle's software is current through dealer services. Many D-light issues are resolved with simple software updates that improve transmission control algorithms. Prevention is key to avoiding D-light problems. Regular maintenance and monitoring can prevent most transmission issues before they occur. Change transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles according to your manufacturer's schedule. Schedule annual transmission system inspections to catch problems early. Watch for these warning signs that indicate potential D-light problems: delayed or harsh shifting, unusual noises during gear changes, and transmission fluid leaks. Here are the success rates for D-light repairs. 65% of issues are resolved through proper diagnostics and software updates, 25% require physical component replacement, and only 10% involve complex internal transmission problems. Following proper repair procedures and maintaining regular service schedules will resolve most D-light issues effectively and prevent future problems.